Hello, I'm Bernie Wong, Movement Building and Research Lead at Mindshare Partners, and welcome to our last 2024 monthly roundup of all things workforce mental health. A recent Gallup poll of 20,000 U.S. workers reports job satisfaction is at its lowest point in years. Key contributing factors in 2025 include smaller raises, fewer promotions, widespread cost cutting, and return to office mandates. More than half of these workers say they're watching for or actively seeking a new job, a rate higher than in 2021's Great Resignation. Fortune published its 2024 list for best workplaces for parents. As Fortune reports, one key difference at these companies is how much control parents feel they have over their experience. While many employers talk about flexibility, parents still come up against difficult to navigate rules around their hours, schedules, in and out of office work, and more. The ability for parents and all workers really to have the autonomy to balance and prioritize work and life is what makes the difference. A recent State of Trans Mental Health report by VODA, the LGBTQ plus mental well-being app, surveyed over 2,500 trans folks across 70 countries. They found half of trans people report poor or very poor mental health, with 68% reporting a diagnosed mental health condition. The top challenges to their mental health include lack of social acceptance and fear of discrimination. A piece in Harvard Business Review makes three predictions for the future of diversity, equity, and inclusion. First, the work will continue, just through a different lens. While the acronym DEI has been scrutinized by some opponents, efforts by employers to reduce bias, create fair work practices, and promote diversity overall are still overwhelmingly popular by Americans. Second, these efforts will become more measured in the use of hiring, employee sentiment, and HR data to inform more deliberate strategies and approaches. Third, the approach will be about integration of DEI principles like fairness throughout the organization, not necessarily separate and siloed functions. And finally, as we look to 2025, we offer to you a lens to reflect on the future of workforce mental health. That lens being human sustainability. Many of the trends we covered in our LinkedIn Lives this year touch on the unsustainable reality of work. 2025 will turn a spotlight on the human part of human capital to support both workers and workplaces. Read more about Mindshare Partners' 2025 predictions in our trends report linked below. That concludes our 2024 news roundup. As always, everything is linked in the comments below. Follow Mindshare Partners or myself to stay up to date on our future roundups in 2025 and beyond. See you in the new year.